Hello everybody, I'm Untitled. Welcome to my new video. Today we're just going to use Unity, and I'm just going to show you how to make a simple game. Now I'm probably going to split this into a few episodes, I don't know, let's see how much we can get done. Now, right here is the Unity project wizard, if this is your first time in it. I'm using 4.3.2 F1. That doesn't matter. I don't really think the type you're using matters unless you have a Unity 5, which will be coming out soon. I don't know if it is out. So, anyways, let's skip ahead. Now, project location. Keep all of this the same. Like right there, all of that's the same. But just outline all this, or don't just don't do that. Don't do that part. Skip that part. Sorry. Now, just take out like the new project thing, whatever it said there, and make sure you do not delete this thing right here, backslash or whatever it is, and just name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it Tut. Now, what you're gonna have to do, what you're probably gonna want to do, is go down to Setup for Defaults. You're gonna have to turn that to 2D, right there. Sorry guys, I have really bad allergies. Okay, I am just about to put it over there. Okay, right here is this is where you have your project, you have your hierarchy, this is where your main camera is, and like everything you put into here. This is the project, this is where everything is that you can just drag out and onto here, and the inspector is when you click on this, it has all the settings. And right now it looks terribly complicated. It's not. Trust me, I've worked with other game engines and it's not that bad. Now right now you have nothing. You should have nothing in here. Make sure all of those boxes are unchecked. If you have anything, just accept the assets and all this stuff up here, just delete them. Okay, what we're going to want to do is create folder scripts. Didn't spell that right. Can't spell. Okay. There we go. I don't really care if you have a capital S. You don't even have to organize it if you don't want to. Now you got your scripts. Now what we're going to need is our models. Actually, let's not name that models. Let's just name that pics, because that's all you're going to need. It's just pictures. That's literally all it is. Just many pictures. Now you got your camera here. See, there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's what you're going to have to start out with. Now what you're going to have to do is go into Google. And you're just going to have to look up black screen. I don't know what the black screen of death is, but anyways, you're probably just gonna want this as the floor, okay? And all we're gonna do is just let your character be able to like move back and forth, and that's it. If we want to later, I can add some scripts. I can make some new things. This is a .gif file. If it is a .gif file, do not use it. Ever. I'm assuming this is not .gif. I just drag this out to your desktop. Really sorry about that, guys. And then drag it into the picture folders. Pictures folder, or pics, whatever you named it. Onto here. And what you're gonna do just put it down here. What you're probably going to want to do is pull this out, put it on a different screen, and then you're going to have to write, like if you have another screen, just use it. It's really easy just to use it, a lot more easier. Just extend it like that. There we go, just pull it down. Or just extend it however you want, like how long you want it. You know what I mean? Anyways, okay, this is our game. Click to game to see how long it is, and go back to scene. Go over here after you have this selected here. Go over to inspector. Click on add component. Then click on type in 2D. Doesn't have to be caps, and then just click it. Right now, that's all you have to do. So for safety reasons, so your character does not fall off. Oh, is that good? That's good enough. So your character does not fall off or anything. You can just do this. Hold down Shift, and then you can actually arrange it a lot better. As so. Never mind, I'll just keep it like that. That seems good enough. Okay. Now, we got these. These are our walls. This is our floor. Now what we're going to need to do is add a sorting layer, which is on sprite render. You'll know what this is for later. Click sorting layer, and you should be a drop down menu. Go down to add sorting layer. It should pop up tags and layers. Now after you have tags and layers popped up, go down to the plus under the layers and default. If this is not clicked, if it's not open, just open it. It's in the middle. Add one, and call this ground. Okay, it has to have a capital G, and it has to be spelled exactly like that. Now we'll just go back by clicking on the floor object and click on ground. Set the sorting layer to ground. These two are default. And now we're going to have to add one more thing. What I did was hold on. I have a lot of weird pictures in here. So sorry about that. No, I'm just going to use a pedo bear. Yeah, that sounds good. Pedo bear. You know. Now you got these. Sorry for that obnoxious, sniffing. It's horrible. As I told you. Okay, good. Now we have all of this set up, right? We have the box glider. The last thing we're going to need to do is make a Rigidbody 2D. Okay, then we got that. Rigidbody will allow it to fall, I think. Yep. Okay, now we got that to fall. I'm gonna have to set this to 10. Just test it out. Just go back and forth. See what's the best. You're gonna want to align the pedo bear with the camera. Then drag the camera into the pedo bear. So when it falls, the camera falls. There. It's that easy. Oh god, that was way too much. You're going to want to extend these up, like a lot. You probably have no idea how much I mean by a lot. Like, a lot. Okay, there we go. Now, probably should just drag this up here. Come on, just go. Go up there. Oh my god. Go. Wrong one. Okay, now. Come on. Perfect, perfect. There we go, that's good enough. Line it perfectly so it doesn't look like anything's out of order. Nope, barely anything. Now, as you can see, he can fall now. The camera shall follow him. Okay, guys. That's probably about it. Sorry about that. Really bad. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Now that your character can fall, and we have some walls and a ceiling and a platform. I don't know what we're gonna be making yet, but let's just find out. Actually, I know what we're gonna make. Wall jumping. Yep, wall jumping game. It jumps wall from wall to wall to wall to wall to wall. But what we're gonna need, this is not the end of the tutorial, by the way. We have a sorting layer, default, drop down menu, add sorting layer, do the same thing. Just add. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Make sure that's backspace all the way. Sorting layer 2 is wall. Go back to this, do the same thing, but click wall. Do the same thing on the other one. Wall, you know. And ceiling, you don't have to. Just have to change that to default. Oops, sorry. Keep on doing that. I gotta stop doing that. One more thing. Add another sorting layer and make this back. This is going to be in the very back. Just drag this and drop it as so. See, you got this. Click this, drag. That's it. Nope, close on me. Either way, this is good. Now you got that in the back. Now anything you place there is in the background. Okay guys, this is the end of the tutorial, okay? No more right now, it's getting kind of late and stuff. So, guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.